In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two images using the Meta AI app. To get started, open the Meta AI app on your mobile device and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving on so you can access the chat features without interruption. Once you're inside the app, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap the prompt box to begin a new chat. This is where you'll give Meta AI both your images and your instructions. Next, tap the attachment or image icon and upload the first image you want to use. After that, upload the second image as well. Before you continue, take a moment to confirm that both images appear in the chat. This is important because Meta AI needs access to both files in the same conversation in order to combine them properly. Now it's time to tell the AI exactly what you want to create. In the prompt box, describe how you want the two images combined. A clear instruction could be something like, combine these two images into a single realistic image, blending the subjects naturally and matching the lighting and background. The more precise your description is, the better your result is likely to be. You can also mention the style you want for the final image. For example, you might ask for a realistic look, a cartoon style, something cinematic, digital art, or even a fantasy-inspired result. This helps shape the overall appearance and gives the AI stronger creative direction. Once your prompt is ready, send it and wait while Meta AI processes the images. Depending on your connection and the complexity of the request, this may take a little time. When the generated image appears, review it carefully and check whether it matches what you had in mind. If the result isn't exactly right, don't worry. You can simply send another prompt with more detailed instructions. Try being more specific about the positioning of the subjects, the background, the lighting, the colors, or the overall mood and appearance. Small adjustments in your wording can make a big difference in the final output, so refining your prompt is often part of the process. Once you're happy with the final image, use the available save or share option to keep it on your device. That's all there is to it. With the right images and clear instructions, Meta AI can help you create a combined image that looks polished, creative, and much closer to your vision.